What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do a night vlog tonight, so stay tuned and come along with the night. Come along for the night with me. Does that make sense? Anyway, it's good enough. Eddie, Milad, say what's up.
Yo!
We're about to go drive around Beverly and wait for everybody, because wait, doesn't Grayson and Sebastian land tonight?
Yeah.
Who else are we missing?
Grayson and Sebastian.
I feel like the whole gang is like all over the place.
Where's Zane?
Zane went back to New York.
Oh.
Yeah.
In his car?
No, his car's at Alex's.
Oh.
Yeah.
Zane, Grayson, Sebastian.
Yeah, we're like missing everybody, but everybody should be coming back soon. Also, guys, you guys are all gonna be very proud of me. I put my license plate on, finally. So I'm not scared of getting pulled over anymore, and I shouldn't get pulled over anymore. Why is there a cop here? What is he doing? Oh, it's a lady cop. The lady cops in Beverly Hills, they're like really scary. I've met two, and they're actually really nice, but the others I've met are like really scary. I don't know why. Okay, so right as I was telling you guys should be proud of me because I put my plates on, and then after I showed you guys the cop, I realized because Eddie and Milad were behind me in the other car, and they're like, oh, that cop was gonna pull you over, and I said, why? Because like I have my plates on and I wasn't speeding or anything, and they're like, oh, it's probably for front plates, but Vegas, you don't have to have front plates, so like therefore I don't need to put a front plate on in LA, and because I don't have anywhere to put it on in the front, and so I didn't get it on camera. Okay, is nobody gonna go? I didn't get it on camera, but when I was sitting on Rodeo, she pulled up next to me, the girl cop, and she pulled in front of my car, and she was looking to see if I had plates, and then she slowed down, like she was gonna try to get behind me, but didn't because I turned left, but that would have been great. Would have been a great time. Back at Cha-Cha. Are you guys getting Cha-Cha? Are you, Eddie?
I'm not.
I was already here earlier. I don't think I could do it again. I got ice cream and a drink this time. It was way too much. Somebody just wasted a purple drink.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Ew.
New straw? It's perfectly intact.
Ew. No.
No.
You did not.
Dude, that's disgusting.
You did not. That person, like, you don't know, like, oh my god. Oh my god. You did not. Oh my god. Oh, I can't talk to you. Milad, do you know how, I mean, like, not to be mean, but like, what if that person had like a disease or something?
And I guess I have a disease
Like,
now.
I'm just saying. Was it good?
No, it was not good at all.
Ew, I can't believe you just did that. I can't be your friend anymore. I'm exposing you.
You're walking back to your car.
Yeah, you're walking. See, we love a plate. Ani, say what's up to the vlog.
What's up?
Guys, Ani just bought a Bentayga.
Yep, you win.
You like it?
I love it. This is honestly like the best car I've ever spent money on.
Ani's been talking about a Bentayga for like, how long? Like, couple months? Yeah. He wouldn't shut up about it, and he finally sold his Tesla, or traded his Tesla for his Bentayga. I'll show you guys it later. Alright guys, Ani's gonna step on the car. But why is it actually fast?
0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds.
0 to 60 in 3.5?
Yeah, top speed of 187.
What the heck?
This
How
thing
fast
weighs-
have you gone in it?
Not that fast.
Food vlog, what'd you get? Ani,
I got spaghetti bolognese.
what'd you get?
Pesto.
And I got penne. Sup? What's up? Ani back with it, telling us we should ride the subway to downtown LA.
No one in LA
Let me
rides
see.
the subway. Look at this. Oh, okay, wait. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Look at this. The red line is literally like a full working subway, and this goes all the way.
Okay,
from
let me
Hollywood to
just
downtown.
recap. I rode the subway in London for like 2 days straight, and it was horrible.
Why was that horrible?
It was horrible. It was hot. I was scared. There were so many people.
But the LA Metro is
I'm not down.
only 300.
There's no
If I have to do it, like I will. But like if I don't have to do it, I'm not gonna do it just for fun.
There's no people on the Los Angeles subway.
There are only 344,000 daily riders on the Los Angeles
How many?
Metro. 344,000. Which is nothing, considering most cities have like 10 million people ride the Metro every day.
Yeah, it's gonna be a hard no from me.
No?
You have fun with that and you let me know how that goes.
North Hollywood. We could literally go everywhere tonight.
I wonder if this is illegal. Is this illegal? How's the weather down there?
Oh, how's the weather up there?
Oh, it's great.
How about you step down here and tell me how the weather is down here? What's up? Am I filming? Oh, wow.
Yeah, you are. You just filmed yourself.
Hey, what's up?
No. I'm not doing it.
Oh, he was staring at me. Hey.
Hey, how you doing? Oh my god.
So you're gonna send it tonight?
I'm gonna send that.
What are you sending the 488?
I'm sending the 458.
Oh, that's 458. I can't see.
I'm sending the 458 straight from Vegas. I'm sending this.
Oh.
Pirelli's on this, brand new for this send video. No tip to whittle so you can see my facial reaction when I send it. A GoPro so you can see what it's like in the turns. And absolute stock of a car.
Okay.
In T-minus. We're about to take this off. Are you ready?
Yes.
Is the salvage them2 ready?
You just roasted him. No, bumper delete. Bumper delete.
The bumper delete. The bumper delete. Probably put a supercharger on there or something, you know. What I'm saying? If it's something wrong.
Exactly.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All
Alright.
right.
Hey, Milan. He just called your BMW salvaged him too. How do you feel? I didn't realize you were gonna go on the other side of the road. I was like thinking you were gonna slow down behind that car, and then you just went
You
woo!
were the only car. What do you mean? I wasn't going to slow down behind you. I was going to go around you.
No, we were next to each other. There was a car in your lane, and you went on the other side.
Well, am I supposed to take an L here? I'm not going to stop here. There's plenty of room to go around.
Oh my god. Okay, okay. You said his name's Ari, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so apparently Ari with the 4858, he does timed runs
In Mexico.
in Mexico, sorry. So I'm gonna follow him just to see what he does because I'm really curious.
Holy mackerel! Holy shoes up! Holy Yo, get me the fudge out of this car, bro! Get me.
Oh my god.
I think it's safe.
Oh,
Amusement park.
oh totally. A ride at Six Flags. Okay.
All right, let's do this.
That doesn't bother you.
Nice looking. All right, let's do it. Okay. So we're gonna send it. You ready to get sent?
What are you doing over there?
I'm configuring everything for this safe trip. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh no, we had a malfunction. And we're going. We'll take it from the outside.
Oh my god. I think it's just scary for me because I don't know you that well.
I just met you 30 minutes ago. I kept it smooth. She told me to keep it safe. I did it twice.
Oh my god.
What was your feedback on the safe drive? I just want 5 stars on my Uber, please. I'm trying to go again.
I'm not going again. It's okay. I think this is where I get out.
I think what now we just experienced was a basic drive.
Well, I'm done driving with you. You have your car, I'll have mine, and we'll be, yeah.
No, I think what we gotta do is this. We gotta each go one time together, okay?
We already did that.
But this was easy though. This was smooth. This was like going up and down.
Oh, now what do you want to do?
Well, first let me show you.
Oh.
Everything here in where we're at is within 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Are you ready?
I'm not going in the car with you.
No, you gotta follow me.
Okay.
And then you tell me what you think.
Okay. Run, Steve, run!
Run!
Let's see, get out of the street.
He took his Yeezys off.
Come on, get off of Timmy. You're running all over Timmy's entrails.
Oh! He threw the Yeezys.
Oh, Yeezy's out. Run him over. Yo, I want free Yeezys. I want free Yeezys.
My son, he's got it! I told you!
Oh my god.
Everything is smoking. Yo, alright, it's off the hood. Again? Wow.
Is your car okay?
No, it's good, it's good. It was the 88 setting.
Light.
It's all good, it's reset, it's all good.
What is that?
She looks
No, she's bubbling.
fine.
She's bubbling. Yeah, let her cool down a little bit. Pour.
Oh no,
No more.
Oh no, 5 minutes.
just 5 more minutes.
Because you guys were flying down Wilshire.
Actually, she wasn't.
I wasn't, because I don't know where I'm going.
So you're trying to keep up, so you were going just as fast as them trying to keep up. Alright, man.
Oh, I also found this for you. It was hidden.
Okay, I ended up getting it.
Oh, okay, sorry.
We had that's why it took us so long. We had to look it up.
Okay, yeah, I got you.
Alright, so this is a citation for basic speed law.
Okay.
Alright, signing this is not an admission of guilt. It just says you'll take care of it.
I just curious, how did you pace me or did you?
So I was sitting at the light at Veteran and Wilshire, and I saw you guys' cars racing by, like flying. The speed limit on Wilshire is 35. You guys were going well over 35.
Okay.
Yeah. So sign here. Non-admission of guilt. It says promise to take care of the ticket.
Right here.
Is quick question.
Yeah.
Veteran, is that when you saw us all stopped at that stop sign, and then from that stop sign continuing, or was it before we all that whole group of cars stopped?
So you mean at the red light?
Yeah, where you were like a few, maybe
I saw
2 cars
you guys
back.
Before the red light, I saw you guys flying down, and then I pulled up to the red light where the kids in the little BMW were videotaping you because your friend in the Charger almost hit them.
Really?
And then, yeah, really. And then they talked to me at the light, and then when I started driving behind you guys, you all started driving slow because you noticed me there. Because you guys are driving underneath the speed limit.
Okay, guys, so it's right here. Well, that was fun. He wrote me for 70. We were not going 70.
I think I was going like 140.
No. Okay, all jokes aside, we were not going 70.
All jokes aside, we're going like 40
think
some
you're going
miles an hour.
slower?
No, 40 something, bro.
You were going slower?
He wrote me for 70. Yeah, I was not going 70.
Okay.
And I genuinely, he wrote me for going 70. There's no way I was going 70. Like, I would totally admit to it, wouldn't I? Let's see. You would too. But there's no way we were going 70.
He didn't pace you, he didn't radar you.
He didn't do anything. He's like, oh, I saw you. And I have a video of me driving with everybody, and you can clearly see I'm behind everyone. And I'm pretty sure my speedometer said like 30 something, maybe 40, not 70. Whatever. It happens. This fun because we both got tickets today.
Hell
What was
yeah.
yours for?
Being in the carpool lane alone.
I thought you were in the emergency lane. No, I was in the carpool.
Well, I'd rather take that than what I got.
Yeah, 70 to 35 is pretty rough.
I wasn't doing 70.
Yeah, but like that's what he wrote you for. So.